Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat, Devotees of the Master, Classification of the Devotees, Prarthana, Prayer. In order to fulfill your desires, I only understand the path of karma, actions. However, if I act according to my own will, I will surely fall in the pit of illusion, Maya. Through your thought waves, kindly infuse devotional feelings, bhav, within my heart. Once my heart gets colored with such bhav, emotions, all actions will be done as per your wishes. O Nath, my Lord, I only know this much that you are the protector of the unprotected beings. Once I am under your refuge, my life, will not be destroyed in vain. O the seed of Bhakta Briksha, tree of devotees, Guru Raj, emperor of gurus, and nurturer of devotees, you may or may not give kripa, grace, but please do not distance me from you. You are God's divine image of grace. Compassion is the essence of your personality. Therefore, you forgive all the sins and vices of the devotee innumerable number of times. Lots of jivas, human beings, approach you for their deliverance from the cycle of birth and death. Not only devotees and virtuous people belong to you, even the sinners are yours. Outwardly, you look like possessing gunas, three attributes of sattva, raja, tama, but you are beyond these attributes from within. You are above the three gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas. You are truly nirguna, formless and attributeless state, who has manifested in saguna, embodied and attributed form. O my Gurudeva, I have understood your chaturya, playful ways. Acting from behind, you set in motion Dvandva Leela, divine game of dualism. Bestowing sorrow after happiness, you take your devotees beyond the mental state of pleasure and pain. You teach that the universe is but an illusion and the life is like a quicksand. The sansar, mundane existence, is as transient as the waves of the worldly ocean. You prepare the devotee to swim across the currents of the worldly existence. The sansar world is like a sea beach. The sea is important, the waves are not so, mere reflections of the ocean. Please eliminate the transitory thoughts of my mind and fill it up with thoughts eternal. The stirring of the waves stays for a very short time on the sea beach. Again, the waves return to the sea, but the beach remains unmoved by the stirrings of the waves. Except you, there is no other recourse for the evolution of the Jivatma. O Guru, the compassionate, I have taken refuge at your feet. Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat.